Alright, so to apologize for the background noise on the video, I'll try to talk as clearly as possible. So I got you on the line here. It is. Smile for the camera. Yay! Alright, so and we're fixing how to update YouTube on a person's blog. So we have Swing Factory here, who we need to add the blog to. So if we go to edit the post for that, we've used the YouTube quick tag thing here, but for some reason that's not being friendly anymore, which is not a problem. We can always use the iframe embedded from the YouTube channel. So to get to there, if you click from the YouTube channel, click on the headline. It brings up the actual single page, and we hit share or to embed, and then you have the code here for hitting embed. Pulls up the code that you need for there. You have different sizes that we can use to embed it in. For right now, with the width of our content of the post size, you want to use the smallest size, so we have 560 to 340. So if we just take that code, copy it, and then on your blog post, that's still in there. So your blog post is going to be empty, obviously. So you don't paste it in with the visual tab selected. You use the HTML tab to select it. You click it, paste it in there, update. Now this is going to now be inside the post. The problem with this is that we have a mega nav pull down that is falling behind the YouTube video. So we just need to add a little cheat sheet or cheat code here that let me just put it off onto itself so that you see. So it's going to be a question mark, wmode equals transparent. Add that after the URL. So in your post here, still on the view source, if you come back to this page after you've already published it and you go to edit it, this is a little problem with using this as an approach, but we can always work around it. And of course now it's showing us. Alright, so there. If I click on the visual tab, my video's gone, I'm panicking, and then I go to HTML, it's gone forever. And it is gone forever, unless you close out without saving changes. For some reason, WordPress is flushing out that code. So we would simply just re-paste the steps from YouTube to update that for future content. And that's basically the only solution we have for right now. So if you do end up adding new content to that page later on, underneath the post, you're going to need to relink up this YouTube video. But you can even do this inside the post or inside this code here. What you're doing is you're adding the question mark wmode equals transparent after the URL from the source. Oh, it won't let us do it from here because its function is only copying. So you can't do it from YouTube. It made me a liar. So you got to paste the YouTube code into our HTML source of the post, but then right before the closing quotation marks after source, you paste in equals wmode equals transparent, hit update. Hopefully now the pull down menu will be behind or on top of the video and not on behind, and there it is. So all is well. The YouTube video's in there. You can play it from within the player. It's not linking over. The YouTube quick tab thing is not really the way to do it anymore. We'll just use YouTube like that, but do know that WordPress is going to flush that out after you go, after you publish that.